Hello guys and welcome to the Next Level Gaming, where we got the Club Penguin style of October 2013. Basically what I'm going to be doing here is be showing you all the secret items. There is 16 in total, 15 of which would only work on this for some reason. I don't know why, but that's just the way it rolls. So on the very first page of our member items, which I'll just go to. Oh, by the way, we've also got 4 new player cards here and 4 old ones which we've seen before. But they're for everyone, so everyone can buy them, which is pretty cool. And these have stayed the same, so yeah. Member items. So when you click here, you get one of these, but it's full, which is pretty cool. So, and then on the next page, click this, get a vampire cape. Right on to the third page, we've got the Countless costume, where you get the Countless bangles. And then when you click this branch here, get the lollipop. We'll go over here, click the O ears, and you get a candy corn costume, which is pretty cool, which I quite like this actually, looks nice. And notice that everything's actually pretty cheap out here, so that's pretty good. It's pretty discounted for what they should be. Usually something like this would be 700 or this would be 200. So we've got nothing on this page either. But we do have the Viking helmet, and then when you can click it 3 times, which I think how to do. I can never do it, but when you do click it 3 times really fast, you can get the blue Viking helmet, which is more expensive. But on the next page, we don't have anything, but this is limited time only to the November the 5th, so you better hurry up and get those before they go. Click his beak, and you get a blue shield. Then on the next page, now there's 2 items here. If you click the crown, you get the blue version of the King's Crown, and don't forget to click his scepter, which will get the fairy rings. Now over here you've got the castle. When you click the castle, you do get a yellow shield, and you're meant to get a red shield when you click here, which doesn't seem to work. Now when you come over here, you click the shovel, you do get the purple butterfly wings. And when you click the yellow crest on his helmet, you will get the nautical boots. And over here you can get a gown and princess hat, which is pretty nice. So just click that there, yeah. And we've got the flag for everyone in Australia. And yeah, so that's it for today. So if you like it, please drop a like, comment, rate and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for the Club Penguin cheats off.